let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us tango choreography with teaching count. Quick, 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 quick and quick and quick, 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 slow, quick and quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and slow, slow, slow and slow, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, 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 quick and quick and quick, 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 slow, quick and quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and slow, slow, slow and slow, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at the same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with Fallaway reverse slip pivot into corner. We continue with double reverse and overspin around the corner. Then outside reverse swivel continued by promenade lock step and tap to promenade position. Now natural promenade turn, which we finish in promenade position. From here we dance promenade link. We continue with reverse pivots and then basic reverse turn in syncopated timing. And now Spanish drag, which we finish to promenade position. And from here we dance extended closed promenade with point ball change. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to corner and dances Fallaway reverse slip pivot into corner, then around the corner double reverse overspin. Now we move diagonally to center with reverse outside swivel, then diagonally to wall with promenade lock step and tap to promenade. In same direction we continue with natural promenade turn, which we finish ready to move diagonally to center with promenade link. Now down line of dance we move with reverse pivots. In same direction we continue basic reverse turn and Spanish drag, which we finish in promenade position and move diagonally to wall into corner with extended closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.